So, Mr. Tapot, with those statements given, what is your final verdict?
First, I want to thank them for convincing me for shifting to other courses. And thank you for their consent about and the background of marine engineering and marine transportation. So, my decision is to stay.
Stay as an engineer.
Yes, engineer student, civil engineer. Marine engineer, so it's like marine engineer also, but civil engineer is in roadworks. So, but I love roadworks. I love building designs. Thank you for convincing me because you're trying to imply that you love your own course. So, I will love my own course too. So, thank you.
Okay, and with that, stay tuned for the second part of this ultimate phase